To create a job with AI, head over to your company page. Once there, click More under the Active Job section. Then, click New Job with AI. In the new window, enter your job listing or requirements and select a featured image from your desktop. Then, click the Generate Job button. In the next window, you can review the generated job listing and choose whether you want to display the salary or contact information. Once you've done that, click Next. You'll also get a tab where you can review the tech stack for the job, along with its levels of experience and relevance, as well as add more filters, such as certifications, industries, and languages. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Save. The next pop-up asks whether you want to populate the job listing with consultants from your talent pool, as well as the number of consultants and the minimum match score. Press Autopopulate to do it. And now your job is created. You already have the list of candidates there. All you need to do is change its status to online and public to start sharing it.